Hi, welcome to this HTML tutorial for the beginners. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a registration form using HTML, yani the online questionnaire form. Yeah, this is how you build the front end of a website. So now, let's open our code editor. Notepad because it is the one best suited for the beginners to start learning the front end of our website. So these same codes that I'm going to display here run on every code editor, so you can just try to copy and paste them on your favorite code editor and see how they run. Now I want to build the front end of our website, creating a registration form. So when starting a form, just start with the normal procedure of creating our HTML website. So let's say doc type HTML, go to HTML, then head, title, let's just say creating a form. Let's close the title, close the head, then open the body. After opening the body, you open the form and say form action is equal to action page dot php, action page dot php, and you'll say division class is equal to container, division class is equal to container. And now you can add the title, the h1 of the form. This h1 is register. Now close the h1. After closing the h1, you come and add a paragraph. Adding a paragraph. So in adding a paragraph, you just say please fill in the required details. Close the paragraph. After closing the paragraph, you can close everything and save this thing and see how it will appear. So you can just start by closing the form, close the body, finally close the HTML. So after closing all those things, you can save it, Ctrl S, choose desktop, and just name it reg. Just name it reg and add this HTML extension, reg.html, and then save it. So let's open it on browser. It is here. So it is this one. Now open it on browser. So now this is the form that we want to build. So register now. Please fill in the required details. So that is it. So just come back to our code. So here we want to add some CSS to this form to make it look a bit smarter. So adding CSS, just styling. So I want to style it. CSS comes at the head section. So come here and say style. You open the style. You open style, and we want to start the body. Want to start the body. Let's say body background color will be pink. We want to make body background color to be pink. Then adding to be, let's say padding to be 8px, then body align is equal to center, body. Then hope we can stop adding CSS at this place. We'll add some as time goes. So let's close this type first, because we'll add some as time goes by. So after closing this type, let's minimize this. Register now. Please fill in the required fields. So this is how the form will look like. So I want to put the labels. So I want to add the labels now. First, let me reduce myself down here. Let me minimize my face so that you can see the full screen. Yes, now I've minimized myself. So I want to proceed and say, come here and say HR. So I want to add some labels where the user can enter the inputs. So label for name, label for is equal to name, then say called, you say as name, first name, then we close the label, then we say line break, come here, input type for name, input type input text, input type is equal to text, name is equal to name is equal to name, then ID is equal to name too, then let's say place order to be equal to and first name, and then we say this field is required, then we close. After closing this one we say line break, then again line break. You can repeat this one for the last name, but now we will not repeat that one for the last name. We'll just go for the label for font, label for font, then it will be bold, then let's say font number, post bold, post label, then this line break, then input type, is equal to number, input type is equal to number, name is equal to font, ID is equal to number, placeholder is equal to enter, phone number, then say this field is required, then we close it, we say line break, then line break again, we enter the label for is equal to email, then close that one, come and say bold email, close bold, then come here, close label, and say line break, and we come say input type is equal to email required, so we close this one, then go to another label, we say land break. So we come here label for gender. We say label for is equal to gender. Label for gender. Then we say bold. Then we say gender. We close bold. We close label. After we close label, we say line break. In inputting gender, we want to use radio button. So let's say input type is equal to radio. Input type is equal to radio. Name is equal to gender. Then ID or value, let's say value is equal to male. Then we close it. Then we say it is male. Then another one, we just come and say input. We open input type is equal to radio. Name is equal to gender. Value is equal to female. Then we close it and say female. So for this we can say line break. Another line break here. Then we come to add another label for date of birth. A label for is equal to we open it, come and say label for is equal to birthday. Then the label for is equal to birthday. Then label for is equal to birthday. Then let's say label for is equal to birthday. We close it. We say birthday. So bold. Then here is birthday. Close bold. Close label. Then we come and say input type. Input type is equal to date. Input type is equal to date. ID is equal to birthday. Then name is equal to birthday as well. Birthday. Then let's say placeholder is equal to enter your date, enter your DOB. And inside this field is required as well. Then close it. Here we have to say it is one break. So another here we will say one break, and here we say after writing those ones like that, we'll just what should we add again? Now this is now a good form. Let's just add. So when adding submit button, just go and say input type is equal to submit. input type is equal to submit. Then for finalizing, before creating this submit button, let's just add another paragraph here saying that paragraph. Let's make this paragraph to be in italics. So let's say by putting an account you agree to our close. By creating an account with us, you agree to our terms and privacy. Then let's close this link. So let's close this italics. Then let's close the paragraph. So this at least will be responsive. So here let's add another paragraph here and say paragraph after submit button. Let's say this line break, another line break, and let's say another paragraph. So in this paragraph will say already have an account. Then the question mark. Now let's say a href is equal to hash like this. Then close that one and say already have an account. A href close. Then say log in. Then let's close the a href. Then let's close the paragraph 2. Now let's close the division class, and now let's save everything. So this will be a responsive page. So let's minimize this, refresh everything. Let's try to open and see how it will look like. Now look at my form. This is my form. So if you try submitting without putting any details, now it will bring please fill out this field. You fill this field and it is saving every data. If you try submitting, this field is required, just write your number, you will submit. Try this one, this field is required and it requires at least at. Then if you submit, this field is also required, so this field like that. Then you say you are female. Now you can submit your form and it will go. So that's how you create a registration form. So now we went back. So by creating an account, you agree to our terms and privacy. Submit. This submit we can change it to be a register at least. So let's change this one. Submit value to be a register. So save it. Come back. Refresh this. So it is like this now. Register. Already you have an account. Login. Please, if you find this my tutorial helpful, please just subscribe and share with your friends. Give me thumbs up for more tutorials. Just subscribe for more tutorials as we proceed. Thanks for watching.